Welcome, Vista operators. It's Jonathan Spriggs coming at you today to talk about some Elevate marketing and how you can set up a campaign. To set up a campaign, it's very simple. All you got to do is first launch your campaign, your dashboard from Elevate Marketing. Once you're logged in there, you'll see a menu on the left, your navigation menu. You'll have your dashboard, which is this. You'll have your profile, your digital signage, if you have digital signage in your locations, your manage option, your promotions, your reports, and your training. For this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up a promotion. So from there, we're just going to go to our promotions menu and click down on promotions. And we have two options, as you can see. You have available and you have scheduled. Scheduled is if you have already scheduled a promotion that is going to start, or past promotions that you have scheduled in the past. You can actually go back and review each of those promotions. As you can see, we have scheduled and done quite a few promotions. But for this, we're going to be talking about how to schedule a new one. So for that, we're going to go to our available. And in here, you have all that's available currently through the Elevate marketing platform. Now, these promotions are created and approved by Boost to be eligible to send out to the customers. So whatever's in here is what you're going to be able to send. And they'll have a variety of them. So we have now open store 4.0 remodels via email and text message. We have accessory happy hours. We have buy more, save more. We have a variety of different promotions that can be utilized. And this updates. They're not always going to be the same. They'll have some new ones. They'll have BOGO promotions. They'll have the $5 add-a-line promotion, so on and so forth. You can actually also do some filters, so a little bit quicker. If you want a 2018 add-a-line, let's click on 2018 add-a-line. See what we have. There are none because we've actually already utilized that one ourselves. So we'll just click off that. You can do media types. So there's two. You have your email and you have your text message. Now, for the email, I do recommend email. It is a very effective tool. The only thing to keep in mind is, though, that you're going to need to make sure that your staff is actually entering the email addresses when they're creating their customer profiles in Elevate. And that's where Elevate gets the information on who to email that to. Otherwise, when you create the customer account, it actually pulls in the phone number automatically. And then you have that text message available for those customers with their phone numbers. So typically, you're going to be able to have a larger sample size if you're doing it through text message. So essentially, we pick the one that we want. Let's say we're going to do 50% off accessories. So you just click on add this promotion. And it'll show you your preview right here. And it'll show you the description, campaign name, the media type. It'll either be email or text. And down to locations is where you can add the locations. So we have 0 of 9 selected. And you'll have, if you have one store, it'll show 1. If you have 9 stores set up, it'll show all 9. And then you have 2 ways of selecting it. You can just select all, and then all your stores are selected, which is awesome. Or say you want to do some stores with one type and a few other stores with something else. So then I can just go in here and click on the stores in particular that I want. Once I do that, I set my date, and whatever is in the white box will be the available dates. As this is the end of the month and the weekend rolls and starts over on a Sunday, we only have a couple of days left. So once you select your date, you go down here and it'll tell you your list size. So it'll tell you the name of the store that you selected and how many potential people it will reach either via email or text message. And your total potential. So for us, it'll be out of these stores, 841 people. And once you're done selecting all that, you just click on save. It'll ask you to confirm the information, make sure it's all good, and you hit confirm, and that's it. And then that'll go out on the date that you schedule it, be it today or tomorrow or for Friday before the weekend or whatever the case is. You'll actually have that available to go out at that time. A couple things to keep in mind. You can only send out 2 campaigns per month per store. So typically, most people do it like the second week and the 4th week to help drive that mid-month traffic when stores are a little bit slower, and then to be able to drive that at beginning of the month traffic when everyone's getting their social security checks and things like that. But that's how you set up a campaign. It's very simple. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to myself. You have my phone number and my email address, and you can call or text and email whenever you need to. With that said, thank you guys. Have a great night.